Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. It's really quick and easy. Open your Snapchat app. Now you need to click this profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down now and then you can find this My Friends option in here. So tap on it. So now you can find your old friends in here. Next, tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Here we can't find any option to delete multiple Snapchat friends at once. Snapchat not provide a option for that. But we can remove friends. First you need to hold on the name of your friend you want to remove. Then you can find this remove friend option in here. So tap on that to remove your friend. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.